Yeah, almost all divisibility rules was done. We are going with a Sunday test on divisibility rules only, children. Did I post it Sunday result? Not yet, right? Yes. 1 minute, children. We'll see the test. View result. Very good. Deepika score full. Soumya to wonderful. Soumya only 1 bit wrong, and Ashwath, I think 2 bits, no, 3 bits wrong for Ashwath.
Ma'am, 3.
Yeah, 3 bits. Very good, very good. Hadrit, what happened this time? 4 to 5 questions. You did an error. Timeless. Okay, right, children. Can we see the bits? What are the bits difficulty here? Deepika is there in the classroom. Deepika is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations, dear. Good job. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Others too, please check your errors. Review test where you are doing errors. The Ashwath, please let me know your errors. So we'll discuss. Doing errors is also one of the art, children. You should do errors, then only you should be more perfect. Sometimes, not all the time. Right, which question you are doing error? Adrit, Ashwath, please share your difficulty questions where you are doing error.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, fourth one.
Fourth one, divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and
Ma'am, I wrote 2 and 4.
Oh, 2 and 2 4s are 8, but it's not, we cannot, 2 3s are 6, so both the rule, 2 rule and 3 rule should be true.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I got in 13th bit, 10th bit, 15th bit.
Which one? 6th one?
No, ma'am, 10th.
10th one, 2520 is divisible by 6 because it is divisible by 2. The last digit is even, and 3 rule means a sum of digits. It's divisible by 6. It is not divisible. It is divisible. No, it's divisible. 9. Sum of the digits. 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 0 become 9. So 9 is not divisible by 3. So what are the options here? It is divisible by 2, and 5 ends with 0 or 5. No. The sum of digits is 12. Sorry, no. The divisibility 2 and the sum of digits is divisible. Option C is correct, right, Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am. I
Confused maybe while reading the options. You may get. Okay, not an issue, right? And what's the next, Adri?
13th, 14th, and 15th.
13 is divisible by 4. What is divisibility rule of 4, Adri?
Ma'am,
you need to check. What you need to check? Tens place and units.
Tens place if it
comes. And ones place. What is the number in tens place and ones place, Aishwarya? Aishwarya is here.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the number belongs to tens place and ones place in 13th question? Question number 13. What is the number in tens place and ones place together?
Yes, ma'am. 28 is divisible by 4.
28 is divisible by 4. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
How many times 4 28 will
7.
come? 7. Very good. So what is the answer for this? 13th is divisible by 4 means?
C.
20. Yeah. 28 are divisible by 4. Option C is correct. Now what next, Adrit?
Ma'am, 14th and 15th.
14th and 15th. Insert the correct digit to make the following number divisible by 3. Adrit, what is divisibility rule of 3? Sum of digits.
Sum
Good.
of digits.
Sum of digits. If you are considering a 6 0 blank and 2, so 6 plus 0 plus 2, what is 8? So 8 plus what number makes you 9? So 9 is divisible by 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what number we can take? Any particular mentioned? They
Ma'am,
not
3.
mention. See, check. You place it 1 first. 6012. 6012. What is the sum of digits in 6012? So fill the blank with
Ma'am,
1.
9.
Fill the blank with 1 because 60 blank and 2 is there. Fill the blank with 1. So what is the sum of digits? Sum of digits. 60. 6 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2. What is the sum?
Ma'am, 9.
9. 9 is divisible by
Ma'am, 3.
3. Very good. Very good. That's all. So they did not mention which least number or greatest number, children. So you have to go with, of course, if you place other numbers like 2, so 6 plus 4, 10 is not divisible. If you place 3 here, 11 is not divisible. If you place 5 here, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 6, 13 is not divisible. So only the number 1 is divisible. Sometimes they may ask you which greatest number or least number. What is the greatest number? You have to fill in the blank so that the number should be exactly divisible by 3. So such a time you need to think about a greater number and smaller number. There is no question here like that. So we can go ahead. Next, coming to 15. Ashwath, is the 15th question also?
Yes, ma'am.
The number 70,110 is divisible by. So yes, it is divisible by 2. Sum of digits 7 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1, 9 is also divisible by 3. If 2 and 3 true means it is divisible by 6. And the last digit is 0, it is divisible by 5 and 10. Now check with the units place 4 table now. So 8 table please 110. No. So what is the thing we can write here? 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9 divisibility rule also true. 10 divisible rule. So which option is correct, children?
C.
Yeah. C is correct. D, of course, D is also correct, but 6 is not there in D. So once a 2, 3 rule is true means obviously the number is divisible by 6. Right. Children, that's all about a Sunday test. Hope your doubts are clarified, right, Ashwath and Agrit?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Soumya is there in the classroom? Soumya? Right. Right, children. Next, what next in the chapter? LCM and HCF. Do you know, children, what is LCM, what is HCF, why we should learn all these things, where we are using these LCM concept in our day-to-day life situations? Do you aware about this part?
Ma'am, I know LCM.
Yes, Noor. Yeah, Noor.
Yes, ma'am.
LCM. Do you heard the word as LCM?
Yes, ma'am.
Where what is the full form of LCM, Noor?
Least common multiple.
Very good. What is HCF?
High common multiple.
Yes, Aishwarya.
Its highest common factor.
Good. HCF, there is another name also, Noor. What is the other name for HCF? Anyone in the class? Adrit.
Ma'am, greatest common ma'am factor.
No, GCD. Greatest common, very good. Common, very good. You said that word. Greatest common, D for what? Yes.
Ma'am, digit.
Decimal.
Noor is guessing. It's not true. Ashwath? Ashwath is
Digit.
unmuted the mic. What is
Digit.
the full form of GCD?
Ma'am, is it divisible?
Very good. It's divisor. Greatest common divisor. GCD. Right, children. It's a wonderful applications we have. We will discuss those later. First, how to calculate the part of LCM and HCF. We have to, today's session, we are going with the part, children. GCD or HCF, greatest common divisor, or highest HCF, highest common term. 1 minute, children, just give a minute time. All right. 15 minutes teaching time, children. Later 15 minutes, 10 minutes your interaction time. So first listen carefully how to do. There are multiple methods solving LCM and GCD. Yes. Hello, Advika. Are you there in the class? Advika.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. How are you?
Ma'am, fine, ma'am.
Good. Yes, children, I think almost all my kids are in vacation, right? Summer vacation.
Oh, ma'am.
No, not yet started for you. You are going to school till,
No,
or
ma'am.
else your vacation starts, right? And yeah, Aishwarya is here. Just Aishwarya, I want to confirm with what are prime numbers, Aishwarya?
Ma'am, prime numbers, so ma'am, only 2 digits should be divisible to that number.
2 factors. Only prime numbers having only 2 factors. So it doesn't not divisible by any, only 2 factors, 1 and number itself. Right. Noor is here. What is the least prime number? Noor, are you there? What is the least prime number?
1, ma'am.
1 is a prime number, better.
No, ma'am.
1 is neither prime nor composite. It's a special number. Please think. Yes, you can text me, children. What is the least prime number? Everyone, please text me. Quick, 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 quick. I'm waiting for your chart. Right, Ashwath, Adrit, given. Right. Good. I got it. Advika, Aishwarya. Good. Yes. What is the least prime number? Noor?
2.
1 minute, children. Once again, we'll just recollect the prime number back, and we are going to start today's session. Because prime numbers are very important, like our prime minister, how important is prime minister to any country. The same way, prime numbers also very important in number system. Prime numbers having only 2 factors, number 1 and itself. Here, the least prime number, 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 2 is the least prime number. Then 3, then 5, then 7. These are in between 1 to 10, prime numbers between 1 to 10. And Adrit, what are prime numbers between 10 to 20?
Ma'am, 11.
11,
13.
13,
17.
17,
Ma'am, and 19.
19. Yes. Now 20 to 30. Advika, quick. 20 to 30. Advika, please speak. Advika is there. Ashwath, please
Ma'am,
respond.
23.
Very good. It's 23.
27.
Hey, 27 will go in 3 table.
Oh, ma'am, 29.
Yes, only 2 prime numbers between 20
22.
and 30. Yes, yes, that's all. Only 2 prime numbers. Yes or no, children? Only we have 2 prime numbers, right? Ajrit said yes. Then
Yes.
30 to 40 in between. Deepika. Next, Soumya. Be ready,
Yes, ma'am.
be ready.
Can you repeat?
Yes. What are the prime numbers between 30 to 40?
Ma'am, 31.
Hmm. Children, you should
37.
not forget 37.
Yeah, ma'am.
That's all. Very good. Right. Because children, it's like prime numbers are very important. Whenever I'm asking the prime numbers, you people be ready with the answers. I don't know when I'm going to, every day also I can remind because these are more important. 40 to 50.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Soumya.
Yes, ma'am. 40 to 50, ma'am.
Yes, Soumya.
Ma'am, 41 and
41.
43 and 47.
Very good. 41, 43, 47. There are 3 numbers between 40 to 50. Very good, Soumya. 50 to 60. 51 to 60.
51.
Yes, Noor said 51. So
56.
sorry. Sorry, Noor. 51 comes in which table? Please check with the 17 table. So 17 3 times 51. So 51 comes in 17. There are factors, not only the number. There are 7 and 3 also factors. That's why it's not a prime number. Check like that. Correct. Okay, no, go think on like that so that you can get the further numbers. Right. Adrit, they are given text. Oh, very good. Deepika, Adrit. Good. Check Noor, 52 is even number, so it's not a prime number. Go with 53, right? Yes, because a 53, you see, 2 table it won't come, and 3 table, if you check 3 table, 3 divisibility rule is not true. But earlier case, if you see the earlier case 51, the sum of it's like 5 plus 1, 6. 6 is divisible by 3 table. That's why it is not true. So, but 53, 50?
9.
5 plus 9, 14. Is it what said correct, children? 59?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. It's 59. Very good. Noor, correct. Aishwarya, 61 to 70.
Yes, ma'am. 61
Yes, 67.
and 67.
What is the first number you said, Ma?
61.
61. Then 67. That's all.
And 69.
69 won't come better because 6 plus 9 comes in 15 comes in 3 tables. So it's a sum divisible by 3. So it's not a factor.
Okay.
So only 2 numbers which are 61 and 67. Good. Good, Aishwarya. 71 to 80.
83.
Very good. It's 83. Any other? Very good. It's 83.
Ma'am,
87.
89.
87.
87. 87. 14, 15. No, 87. You see, 8 plus 7, if you add up the sum of digits are 15 is divisible by 3 tables. So 87 is not a prime number. Think and let me know. Before there is one more number, you forgot about that 83.
Ma'am, you didn't wrote the 70s.
Oh, in between 70 to 80. Okay. Okay, 70 to 80, please. No. What? No, correct only, right? 71 to 80. Okay. This is 81 to 80, 90. So 83. Very good. Please tell about these are numbers.
79.
79, where 7 plus 9, good. 79.
73.
73, good.
And 77, ma'am.
77 goes in
No, ma'am, not
11.
70.
11. Check with the 71 once, please check, Aishwarya. Very good checking. 71 check once. 71 will come in any other table or 71.
No, ma'am, 71 is also there.
Very good. 71. Good. 71, 73, 79 are the 3 prime numbers between 71 to 80 and 81 to 90. '81 not. Why? Because 8 plus 1 is 9. 81 is not coming. So 9 is divisible in 3 tables. So 81 is not true. 83. Okay, then.
Ma'am, 89.
Very good. It's 89. It's 89. We have in between 91 to 100 only one prime number, children. That's more important thing I mentioned.
97.
90s.
97. 97. There are multiple questions because prime numbers are more important, children. That's why I recollected once again. Please note down, make a small A4 sheet, all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Stick in your reading room or else keep it in your reading table so that continuously it's like a table. You have to remember. Which you see all the prime numbers are even or odd. Check once all the prime numbers are even or odd.
Ma'am, only one is even.
Odd, ma'am.
Odd numbers, only one is even. What is that? Noor. Wait, Ashwat, wait. There is only one number is even. What is the only one even number? 2. That's why the question they may ask you frequently, only one even prime number is 2. That's the least prime number. Okay, that's all the prime number part, children. Keep this in your mind. We are going with further. There are 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100. Please remember 1 to 100, we have 25 prime numbers. They may ask different questions like, write greatest prime number between 1 to 10. What is the greatest prime number between 1 to 10?
Ma'am,
7. What is the only prime number between 91 to 100?
97.
97. So what are twin primes? Twin primes. We discussed, I think we discussed, you forgot about twin primes.
37, 73.
47?
37, 73.
47. No, I'm not asking about repetition of the numbers. I'm
90,
asking
79, 97. 79, 97.
no, but I'm not asking about repetition of the digits. You are telling about repetition. I'm asking about twin primes. Deepika, Adrit, Ashwat, where are you all? Soumya. Huh? Please, once again. 2 and 3. What is the difference between 2 and 3?
Ma'am, 1.
Is it twin primes? The difference between prime numbers is 2.
Ma'am, 5, 7.
Very good.
Ma'am,
3, 5, 5.
13.
Correct. Now you
17,
got
19.
17, 19.
41, 43.
41, 43. Very good.
Ma'am, 59 and 61.
59 and 61. Good. Good.
Ma'am, 53 and 59. Ma'am,
50.
71 and 73.
71 and 73.
Very good. 71 and 73. Those are the twin primes. See, children, you forget about my points. I am not expecting.
71,
I think
73.
today also I said to Manoj sir, my students, class 6 students are so wonderful batch. I feel very comforted. But you people are forgetting all the time. It's like a prime minister is more important. I said many times. Prime numbers also very important. Please, I'm continuously revising all these things. Means it's not only class 6. You are still your further classes also. It will help a lot, children. If you know prime numbers in your fingertips, you can do more faster calculations. Right. Shall I clear my screen, children? We'll move to the next.
Okay, ma'am.
Noor, hope Noor is there in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Be thorough with the prime numbers. Next class, everyone I'm going to ask. I don't know what type of questions I'll ask you. Be ready with your answers. Twin primes means the difference between prime numbers is 2. So if you check 5 and 3 and 5. 3 and 5, 5 minus 3 is difference of 2. So 7 and 5 and 7. Difference of these numbers is 7 minus 5, which is 2. So difference between 2, we can call it as this pair of numbers, we call it as twin primes. What type of primes these are? Twin primes. Right, children. Shall we move to the next part? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, today I told first we are going with the LCM. LCM can be done in different methods, children. We have multiple methods for finding LCM and HCF. First, we are going with the common factors and common multiples. Common, the word common. We all from class 6, common, class 6 is common here. Find the common factors of 8 and 20. So we know that factors of 8 and factors of 20. Please write down what are the factors of 8, children. What is factor we discussed earlier?
Ma'am, 2.
Factors of 8 and 20.
Ma'am,
Yes.
2.
Factor me. Yes, ma'am.
2.
1 and number. Suppose for 8, I'm writing, children. 1 and the number itself is a factor to every number. So 1 8s are 8.
8
Go with
कितने
the
tables
2.
में ज्यादा? 2 में ज्यादा?
Yes. So 1 and 8. Yes or no? For every number, what are the factors for every number, children? 1 and number itself is a factor. Any number, if you take 8, if you take 20, so common factors, these are 1 and 20. The first, next set. In
Ma'am, 2
what are
and
the
4.
very good 2 and 4. Then 3 table, did 3 table 8 will come?
No, ma'am.
No, divisibility rules also you. That's why we are using divisibility rules. Why we are learning means you can check.
Ma'am,
No,
4
3.
2s are 8.
That's already we done, right? That's just 4 2 times. Okay, that's okay. Already we done with 2 into 4, 4 into 2. Both are same beta. Only once you can write. Don't write twice. That's all. Right?
Three
What are,
factors.
only 3 factors. What are the factors of 8?
2, 4, 8.
Very good. 1, 2, 4,
And-
8. Now you see, which is the least common factor for every number? 1. Which is the greatest common factor for every number? The number itself. Yeah, that's one thing. Coming to the 20. Please come on, children. 1
Ma'am,
into 2.
Ma'am,
Yes, no.
Ma'am, 2 tens are. Ma'am,
Wait.
Yeah.
We'll go with 1. Noor, please respond and give for 20.
Ma'am, 2 tens are 20.
Very good. 2 tens are 20.
5 are 20.
Yes. What is the number?
4 5 are 20.
Very good. 4 5s are 20. Good. 5 4s are or 4 5s are both are same.
4
Any
5
other table? That's
5
all.
20. Then 20 table. 20.
Yeah, we already write. Now write factors of
Ma'am, 2 and 4.
yes. Factors of 20. What are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5,
5, 10,
10, 20.
20.
Yes. Yes or no, children? These are the factors of 8 and 20. They are mentioned common factors. Common means what is the common in among these two? We have to check. Common means it should be appear in factors of 8. It should be appear in factors of 20. What are the common here?
Ma'am, 1,
1,
1,
4,
2,
4.
4. So let me write common factors. So common factors are 1, 2, 4. In this, which is highest common? Which is the
Ma'am.
highest common beta?
ma'am, 4.
Yes, this is the highest common. We can call it as a HCF, or we can call it as a highest common factor. We can call it as HCF or highest common factor. That's short form is HCF beta. HCF or GCD. GCD also the word you have to GCD. These are the both are same. Greatest common divisor. That means for 8 and 20, the greatest common divisor is 4. Greatest common divisor. Of course, if it is divisible by 1, 2, 4 and 8, it is divisible by 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 4. But which number both commonly, highest commonly it is divisible? The 4 is the highest, greatest common divisor for 8 and 20. That's why we call it as HCF or GCD. Hope this is a long method, children. For simple numbers, for your understanding, I'm just explaining this highest common factor method. But if suppose the numbers are very big, like 225 and 540, is it possible to write all factors of 225 and 540? Is it easy for you or it's hard for you? Because it is a small number, you know the tables are 1 to 20, so you can write, ma'am, factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, 8. 20 factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. If I'm given as 225, is it easy to find out which table it is divisible? There is another method for us, children. This is finding common factors method. From that we are finding highest common. Now, please, the same way, can you find for 9 and 15? Come on, children, please do that. HCF of
Ma'am,
9 and
3.
15. Okay. What are the factors for 9?
Ma'am, 1,
Hmm.
3,
Yes, 1, 3.
9,
1 and 9 is a common beta. 1 and 9 is common. Rather than what you have, please find out. 3. So 1, 3, 9.
3,
Yes, for 15.
Ma'am, 1, 3, 5, 50.
Okay. Let me go with the third factors of 9. So we can write is a 1 into 9, 3 into 3, 9. That's all. So the factors of 9 are, you can write it as 1, 3, 9. Now coming to factors of 15. 15. So you can multiply 115 times 15. 1 and number itself is a common beta. It won't go in 2 table because it's not an even number. Go with the 3 table. 3 5s are 15, right? So already 5 table. The factors.
9 factors 10, 3, 9. 15 factors 3, 5, 15.
Very good. Now what are common factor here? What are common factors, Aishwarya?
Ma'am, 1 and 3.
So 1 and 3. In this, which is the highest common?
Ma'am, 3, ma'am.
Greatest common is 3. So this is GCD or HCF. We can call it as both HC. This is basic method, children. Please, we are not able to find all the time factors for big numbers. If it is small numbers, you can solve this method. There are another method I will teach you later. That's one important point I should convey. There is one more important, children. The number having only 1 as a common factors. Suppose here if you see there are many common factors. Just we are doing many 2, 3 bits. We have many common factors. Suppose any two numbers having only 1 as a common factor. Let me go with some examples like 4 and 15. So the number 4 and 15, the pair of numbers 4 and 15. So what are the factors for 4 children? 1 into 4, 2 into 2. The factors of 4 is 1, 2, 4. What is 15 factors? 1 into 15, 15. So 3 table,
1,
no,
3,
already
5,
we are
15. 1,
3
3,
5s are 15. So 1, 3,
and the
5, 15. What are common factors here?
Ma'am, 1.
Only
Ma'am,
one.
1.
There is no other. Only one.
And the
This
great
type, if common factor, we are getting only 1 as a common factor. Only 1 as a common factor. Such a numbers, such a pair of numbers, we call it as co-prime numbers. This is also very important, like primes, co-primes, co-prime numbers. This pair of numbers, we call it as co-prime numbers. Common factor, we have only one as a common factor. Such numbers we call it as co-prime numbers. It's more important, beta. Co-prime numbers. HCF of co-prime numbers. What is HCF of co-prime? Highest common. HCF of co-primes. Only one as a common factor. In that highest means only one. HCF of co-primes is always what? What? These are the co-primes. I said, yes, it is co-prime. What is a common factor? Only one. In that highest common means only one is a HCF. HCF of co-primes is always one. This is more important. Please note this point too. Can I repeat, or else did you understood? Please let me know with your thumbs up so that this is very important concept. Children, please see, two numbers having only one as a common factors are called co-primes. Two numbers having only one as a common factor, no other number except one. Such numbers we call it as co-prime numbers. For example, 4 and 15 we check. We did with 4 and 15. Yes. Or 7 and 15. You have to check 12 and 49, 18 and 23 children. I'll write the pair of numbers. Please check and let me know. 7 and 15. Everyone, please take as a task. 7 and 15. Please check what is a common factor and highest common factor.
Ma'am, the
7
common
and
factor is 1 and the highest is also 1.
Soumya, Aishwarya.
Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya, can I help you once again?
Ma'am, the common factor of 7 and 15 is 1.
7 and 15 is 1. Very good. Yeah, common, only 1 as a common factor. That is only the highest common also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we say these numbers 7 and 15 are co-primes, Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am, they're co-primes.
Very good, very good. 12 and 49, same way check 12 and 49. For all these tables are basic, children. If you know tables till 1 to 10, we can do more faster calculations. Random tables, please practice regularly. You ask your mama or papa to ask random tables, 18 and 23. 18 and 23. Now, what are the factors for 7 children? 7 is a prime number, yes or no? Yes, 7 is a
Yes,
prime
ma'am.
number or not?
Ma'am,
Prime number.
Very good. Prime numbers have how many factors?
And 2.
one and
Only 2.
self.
1 and 7, only 2. For 15 is a composite number. It has 1, 3, 5, 15. What are common factors here? Only 1. Common factor is? Common
One.
factor is 1. If they're asking, highest common is also 1 there. Highest common is also 1 because no other number, only 1 as a common factor. Same way for 12, factors of 12. 1, yes, it is divisible by 2 table. Yes, it is divisible by 3 rule. So 3 is also factor. Yeah, it is divisible by 4. 4 is a factor. It is divisible by 6. 6 is a factor. Yes, then next factor is 12. Now coming to 49. 49 comes in
Ma'am,
1.
1,
Yes,
3,
3. 3, 10, 30, no 3, no 3, no 3.
Ma'am, 7.
Very good, 7, very good. 7, 7s are 49. And the last number is 49, very good. So what are common factor for 12 and 19, 49?
1.
So 1, which is highest common factor? Common factor is 1. Highest common factor is also
1.
1. Can we call this pair as co-primes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, they are co-primes. Yes, they are co-primes. This is also co-primes. For check for 18. 18, what are the factors for 18?
Ma'am,
1.
it is co-prime, ma'am. 1.
Now 1, 18 and 23. What are factors for 18 and
1, 2, 3, 6,
good, good, good. 6, very good.
6, 9, 18.
9 and 18, very good. Next, for 23.
1 and 23, ma'am.
Because it is a prime number,
Yes,
there
ma'am.
is only two factors, 1 and 23. Because it's a prime number having only 2 factors. Prime number having only 2 factors. So 1 is a common factor. So what is common factor, children? 1.
1.
What is highest common
Ma'am,
factor?
1.
1. So what we can say, yes, it is a co-prime or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Today takeaway point is, very important takeaway point is co-prime number. Co-prime number is your takeaway points, children. 2 numbers having only 1 as a common factors. They are called co-prime numbers. They are called co-prime numbers. Their HCF is always.
Ma'am,
What is the HCF of co-prime numbers? What is HCF of co-prime numbers?
One.
HCF of co-primes is always 1. Is always very important, children. This point, please take away point of today's class is the co-prime numbers, and the HCF of co-prime numbers is always 1. That's your takeaway point. How we are finding for 2 numbers, the same way we are finding for 3 numbers also. 4, 12, 16. Not only 2, we are finding for 2 numbers till now. 2 numbers we are taking, we are finding common factors for those. Same way you can go with the 3 numbers for more than 2 also. Here we are asking 4, 12, 16. What are factors of 4, children? 4, 12, 16. What are factors of 4? 1,
1, 2, 4.
1, 2, 4. Very good. For 12?
Ma'am, 1,
Yes.
2,
Yes.
4.
3,
3,
4,
4, 6,
12.
12. Largest one is the number itself. For 16, Soumya. I did not get voice from Advika, Soumya. Today's class, Aishwarya, Noor, and Ashwath, Adrit was so active. Deepika also not responding. 16. For 16.
1,
1.
1, 2.
Yes.
I'm 4.
4.
I'm 8.
8.
16.
16. If you find any logic, children, so immediately if you see 18 after 8 after, what is the next highest immediately? You can see there is a set. This is one set. You can see here there is a one small logic you can find from this. What you can observe from last
Ma'am,
which is the
Ma'am, the half of the
Advika,
number.
I want
it
Advika
will-
should speak. Advika, please. Advika.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
suppose
please.
number is 16 or 18. If we'll do the half of that number, then it is the second last. So we
Very
can.
good. Very good. Very good. Second last factor is half of that number. If you see 16, what is the half of 16?
6,
What is half of 16?
8,
8. 8, half of 8 is?
4.
4. Half of 4 is?
2,
Half of 2 is?
1,
Check like that for 12. Half of 12 is?
6,
6 half? No. 6 half?
3,
3. But we have some cases it is true. But second factor, last before factor, you will get a half of the number. That's the logic for every case. You can apply, you can check for that. That's a very interesting, children. You can please, such interesting facts, please observe. And so that you can get a logical point from that. Now, my question is here, what is the common factors among these 4, 12, and 16? One is a common factor?
1,
Yes.
2, 4, 4.
4, yes, 4 is a factor. 1, 2, 4. That's all, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the highest common factor?
Ma'am, 4.
I'm 4.
Yes, the highest common factor is 4. So like that, not only for 2 numbers, children, more than 2 numbers also we can find HCF for simple numbers. For large numbers, there is another method. I will teach you later that method, children. Now, once factors, today I'm not going to teach multiples children, only factors. You can take few questions for practice because the same. Exercise 3.4. Please, I want the first bit, the second bit as a work for you. First bit 4 bits and second bit 2 bits. Total 6 bits as your homework today. These are the 6 bits for you homework, children. Please complete and come with the next class. This is your homework. And a small quiz. Yeah, we are going with a small quiz on factors, children. Can we go or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Come on. Homework part. Did you notice the homework part? Please take a screenshot or click something you can make. That's your today's homework, children. Please do that. I can check at any time your homework. I can call you. I can make a call to your parent also. Please take a pic of the homework so that you people should be complete your homework also. Don't be relaxed. Ma'am, class was done. So I did not have any work to do, ma'am. I already completed. Don't tell. So homework is also one important thing, children, because mathematics class means self-discipline and continuous practice. This makes you more strong in your subject. Okay. Aishwarya, any doubts? Noor, any doubt? Noor and Aishwarya, I want to confirm from both because there's a
No, ma'am.
no.
Not any doubt.
Okay, Aishwarya, dear.
No, ma'am. No, any doubt.
Okay. Now, last session, please. Today's points to take away points to your home is prime numbers. Prime numbers has only 2 factors, and number 1 and number itself, those are the prime numbers. Whereas composite numbers have more than 2 factors. And the second point is what are co-primes? What are co-primes, children? Only one as a common factor. Numbers having only one as a common factor, such a numbers we call it as co-prime numbers. And what is how to find HCF? How to find common factors? From that, how to find HCF? That is 3 points, the takeaway points, children. This is your homework. Please.
Ma'am, can we do quiz?
Ma'am.
Hello?
Ma'am.